So next topic is to evaluate definite integrals. So integral of the type integral from 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta sin theta d theta. So the function is in terms of sin theta cos theta and theta from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi, that means we will get the unit circle mod z is equal to 1. Okay. So the region is the circle mod z is equal to 1. And we know that z is e raised to I theta. So what is dz? Dz is e raised to I theta into I d theta. So d theta will be dz by I dz. Iz അത് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തു. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇസഡ് ഇ റേസ് ടു ഐ തീറ്റ എന്നാണ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത് ഫോർ ദി സർക്കിൾ, യൂണിറ്റ് സർക്കിൾ. ദെൻ ഇ റേസ് ടു ഐ തീറ്റ ഈസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ പ്ലസ് ഐ സൈൻ തീറ്റ. സോ ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് ഐ തീറ്റ കോസ് തീറ്റ മൈനസ് ഐ സൈൻ തീറ്റ. So what is cos theta? Because the given question will be in terms of cos theta and sin theta. You have to convert it into complex term, z term. Okay. So cos theta is c raised to I theta plus c raised to minus I theta by 2. That is z plus 1, z raised to minus 1. Z raised to minus 1 is 1 by z. So z plus 1 by z by 2. Take the LCM. So z square plus 1 by 2z. Z denominator varum. Similarly, sin theta is z minus z raised to minus 1 by 2i. It is z square minus 1 by 2i z. Okay. So cos theta sin theta question ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ z ലോട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Okay. For this question, 0 to 2 pi d theta by 2 plus cos theta. So here, first of all, put z is equal to I theta, e raised to I theta, z e raised to I theta. So dz will be I e raised to I theta d theta or I z d theta. So d theta is dz by I z. Cos theta z square plus 1 by 2z. That we have already done. Or again repeat. Then the integral will be, question is integral 0 to 2 pi. So integral over c d theta dz by I z by 2 plus cos theta z square plus 1 by 2z. Or it is, we can simplify this one. So 2z numerator varum, 2z LC edukka, 4z plus z square plus 1, z square plus 4z plus 1. Integral over c. Okay. Then I z in the denominator, z cancelled. So 2 by I integral over c dz by z square plus 4z plus 1. So next find the singular points. Singular point z square plus 4z plus 1 0. So what is the value of z? Z is minus 2 plus or minus root 3. Minus 2 plus or minus root 3. Okay. Next one. Next one. So minus 2 plus or minus root 3 means z minus 2 plus root 3 and minus 2 minus root 3. So these are the 2 points. Okay. So we have to check whether these points lie inside C or outside C. So z minus 2 plus root 3 means the circle is mod z is 1. So modulus of minus 2 plus root 3. Is it less than 1? Yes, it is less than 1. So this point lies inside. But minus 2 minus root 3 will be greater than 1. This value minus root of 3 is 1 point something. So minus 3 varum. It is greater than 1. So it is outside C. So we need to find the residue at z is equal to minus 2 plus root 3. What is the residue? Residue at z is equal to minus 2 plus root 3 of f of z. It is limit z tends to minus 2 plus root 3. Z minus of minus 2 plus root 3. Z minus Z naught. That into function. Function is what? Function is, we can take that 2 by I also. 2 by I, 1 by Z square plus 4Z plus 1. Okay. It is limit Z tends to minus 2 plus root 3. Z minus minus 2 plus root 3 into 2 by I is a constant. So we can take 2 by I outside. Okay. Then 1 by, what is Z square plus 4Z plus 1? It was 1 by 4 Z square plus 4Z plus 1. It has 2 roots, minus 2 plus root 3 and minus 2 minus root 3. So factors are Z minus this one into Z minus this one. So we can write Z minus minus 2 plus root 3 into Z minus minus 2 minus root 3. Okay. So Z minus minus 2 plus root 3 cancelled. Then 2 by I into Then here put the value in the place of z minus 2 plus root 3. Minus of minus 2 minus root 3. So it will be, sorry, it is 2. So it will be 2 by I into 1 by, what is it? Minus 2 plus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. So 2 cut out, 2 by I into 1 by 2 root 3. It is 1 by root 3 I. Okay, so 1 by root 3 I. This is the value. So there is only one residue, okay, other singularity is in outside C. So the integral value is integral over C f of z dz is 2 pi I into sum of residue. Since there is only one residue, this value itself. Okay, it is 2 pi by root 3. So the answer is 2 pi by root 3. Okay.